Hello, welcome back to the cottage. I'm Brianna with the Rosevine Cottage Girls, and today we're going to be making lemon extract, and we're going to show you how to do it. Today we only need 2 ingredients to make this, so let's get going. We need to peel 2 lemons. And just the lemon rind, not the underbit. Might be a little difficult because the rinds are very hard to peel. You can use a knife too, whatever's easier. Just set that to the side. We can make lemonade with it later, or scones. One more. And then just enough vodka to cover the peels. Be sure to pour enough vodka to make sure the lemon rinds are covered completely. Make it an inch or 2 above. Cover it. Shake it once a week, put it in a dark, cool place, and at 4 to 6 weeks it should be done. If you're looking for a stronger extract, you can remove the rinds after 4 to 6 weeks and replace them. And don't forget to shake it once a week. We'll see you next time.